Chinese military tested an updated surface-to-air defense missile in Xinjiang, apparently in a show of deterrence ahead of the India-US military drills in October that will take place 100 kilometers from the line of actual control, LAC, the de facto border between India and China. China's state-owned broadcaster, CCTV, reported on August 16 that the People's Liberation Army's PLA's Xinjiang Military Command conducted tests of an updated surface-to-air defense missile in the region's high-altitude plateau at the height of more than 4,500 meters (14,760 feet). As part of the tests, the missile struck a target plane flying at a low altitude in the first round of strikes. This was followed by the system test in electronic warfare (EW) environment, in which the system operators performed evasive procedures and hit a target despite strong electronic interference from the aircraft. According to Yue Gang, a former PLA colonel, the drills involved a new type of HQ-17A short-range air defense shoreward missile. The HQ-17A is a variant of the basic HQ-17, which uses a wheeled chassis, whereas the basic version is based on a tracked chassis. It made its first public appearance in October 2019, during the National Day military parade in Beijing. The HQ-17 air defense system is based on the Russian Tor M1 surface-to-air missile defense system.